So today let's continue with the last lecture. In the last lecture, we were on to the 25th multiple choice question. So the 25th multiple choice question was the chairman of Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission is. The options are chairman scientific body, B option is the drug controller general, C is the Directorate General of Health Services, and D is the Secretary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So the correct answer is the Chairman of Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission is D, the Secretary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Let's move to the 26th multiple choice question. Which of the following is a part of 4 M's of quality manufacturing? The options are option A is machine, option B is mechanism, option C is manufacturing, option D is modeling. Which of the following is a part of 4 M's of quality manufacturing? So the correct answer is the machine. Machine is the part of 4 M's of quality manufacturing. The 27th multiple choice question is International Conference on Harmonization, which is called as ICH, was created in 1990 as an agreement between the dash dash to harmonize different regional requirements for registration of pharmaceutical drug products. The options are A is China, USA, and Europe. B is Russia, Europe, and Australia. C is Europe, Japan, and the USA. And D is Australia, USA, and Brazil. So the correct answer is C, that is Europe, Japan, and the USA. So between the Europe, Japan, and the USA to harmonize the different regional requirements for registration of pharmaceutical drug products in 1990, International Conference on Harmonization was created. The 28th multiple choice question is the climatic condition for zone 4 as per ICH guideline is A option is 25 degrees centigrade, 60% relative humidity. Option B is 30 degrees centigrade, 70% relative humidity. Option C is 21 degrees centigrade, 45% relative humidity. And option D is 30%, 30 degrees centigrade with 35% relative humidity. So the correct answer for this multiple choice question is the climatic condition for zone 4 as per ICH guideline is the option B, 30 degrees centigrade, 70% relative humidity. 29th multiple choice question is impurity for which a structural characterization has not been achieved and that is solely defined by qualitative analytical properties is known as A option is specified impurity, B option is unidentified impurity, C option is unspecified impurity, and D option is identified impurity. So the correct answer is B, unidentified impurity. So impurity for which a structural characterization has not been achieved and that is solely defined by qualitative analytical properties is known as unidentified impurity. Next multiple choice question is QBD. Quality by design is a concept introduced by the International Conference on Harmonization ICH as dash dash guideline. Option A is ICH Q5, option B is ICH Q6, option C is ICH Q7, and option D is ICH Q8. So the correct answer is quality by design is a concept introduced by the International Conference on Harmonization as ICH 8 guideline. Next multiple choice question is marketing authorization application MA is an application to the relevant authority to market a drug or medicine in option A is US market, option B is Europe market, option C is Canadian market, option D is all countries. So the correct answer is Europe market. Marketing Authorization Application MAA is an application to the relevant authority to market a drug or medicine in Europe market. Next multiple choice question is if any organization wishes to market their product only in one Europe country, then dash dash is preferred. Option A is national procedures. Option B is mutual recognition procedure. Option C is centralized procedure. And option D is decentralized procedure. So the correct answer is national procedures. If any organization wishes to market their product only in one European country, then national procedures is preferred procedure. Next multiple choice question is where the medicinal product has already received a marketing authorization in a member states of Europe at the time of application, then the registration procedure is option A is decentralized procedure, option B is mutual recognition procedure, option C is centralized procedure, option D is national procedure. So the correct answer is mutual recognition procedure. Mutual recognition procedure is the correct answer where the medicinal product has already received a marketing authorization in a member states of European at the time of application, then the registration procedure is mutual registration or mutual recognition procedure. Next, drug regulatory body of Brazil is option A is TGA, option B is SFDA, option C is MHLW, option D is ANVISA. So drug regulatory body of Brazil is ANVISA, the option D. Certificate of suitability is applicable for option A is substances not included in PHEOR except TSE-CEP. Option B is biologicals and products extracted from animal tissues. Option C is substances described in monographs in the PHEOR such as active substances, excipients, herbal drugs, and option D is human tissues derivatives, blood derivatives, vaccines. So the certificate of suitability is applicable for substances described in monograms in the European pharmacopoeia such as active substances, excipients, herbal drugs. Variations that are the minor variations which have only a minimal impact or no impact at all on the quality, safety, or efficacy of the medicinal product are called as option A is type 1A variation, option B is type 1B variation, option C is type 2 variation, option D is extension applications. So the correct answer is type 1A variation. Variations that are the minor variations which have only a minimal impact or no impact at all on the quality, safety, or efficacy of the medicinal product is called as type 1A variation. Variation approval timeline for two type of variation as per European guideline is option A is 30 to 90 days, option B is 150 to 180 days, option C is 210 days, option D is 120 days. So the correct answer is 30 to 90 days. Variation approval timeline for two type of variation as per European guideline is 30 to 90 days. Next multiple choice question is name the type of NDA application that needs to be filled in United States for combination of two or more active moieties. Option A is type 2, option B is type 4, option C is type 5, option D is type 6. So the correct answer is type 4. Name the type of NDA application that needs to be filled in United States for combination of two or more active moieties. So it is the type 4 NDA application. The 600 series in the chapter 1 of 21 CFR deals in option A is CGMP, option B is cosmetics, option C is biological products, option D is OTC drugs. So the correct answer is biological products. The 600 series in the chapter 1 of 21 CFR deals in biological products. Next multiple choice question is dash dash product does not require BLA. Option A is serum, option B is glucagon, option C is blood component or derivative, option D is vaccine. So the correct answer is glucagon. Glucagon product does not require BLA. A competitor can file for ANDA before its expiry under dash dash clause of ANDA certification clause. Option A is para 1, option 2 is para 2, option 3 C is para 3, option D is para 4. So the correct answer is para 3. A competitor can file for ANDA before its expiry under para 3 clause of ANDA certification clause. Next MCQ is under GAIN Title 8 of the FDA Safety and Innovation Act, FDA can grant an additional dash years to certain exclusivity periods for products that have been granted a qualified infectious disease product designation. The options are: A option is 6 months, B option is 4 years, C option is 5 years, and D option is 7 years. So the correct answer is 5 years. Under GAIN Title 8 of the FDA Safety and Innovation Act, FDA can grant an additional 5 years to certain exclusivity periods for products that have been granted a qualified infectious disease product designation. CFR stands for: option A is Code of Federal Regulations, option B is Center for Federal Regulations, option C is Code of Federal Register, option D is Center for Federal Regulator. So the correct answer is option A, that is Code of Federal Regulations. Thanks for watching.